Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm leaving. Say hi. Oh, say hi. Say hello. Let's get serious. Do what it do, what up? Ha! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're at it again with another vlog, again and again and again and again and again and again and again. I can't. We are going to, where are we going? I forgot where we're going, but we are going to here. It's right here, right? It's right here. We're going for a hike there. We're going with a group of friends, and then we're gonna try and have a little braai after that. Can't wait to see what this place is gonna look like, how fun it's gonna be. It's gonna be a 3.9 kilometer walk. That's amazing. You know, I should actually add being a hiker in my resume, because at this point, it is part of me. It is within me. I am a pro at this. People are playing. Have you seen my other hike vlog? If you haven't, then clearly you're not watching, because time is moving as usual. I've been talking a lot too much. If you are new here and this is your first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Miss T. Welcome, you, yes, you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. I know you did, right? You see, I can already tell the energy was felt through the camera and it was reciprocated. It was reevaluated. But you get what I'm trying to say, right? It's a good morning. Welcome, and like, subscribe, and comment. So I clearly have enough time on my hands because a certain somebody is running late. I decided to do a quick outfit check of the hike. I don't know if you guys can see. Got my tights, white vest, my cute little dress, and my jacket. So guess what? We are
Good morning.
Hi.
The wizard.
Precious. Every hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Again. Precious, why are you in the dark?
It's because of the baby.
Why are you in the dark? Why are you in the dark? We outside! We have to. Are we on our way?
Let's go, yeah.
I was vlogging. Hey, you must give us a warning.
Don't forget the thing.
Is this my receipt?
Yeah.
Is this mine? This is mine. This is also mine. Is that my receipt or yours? Hey. We got coffees. It's freezing. The wind is winding. It's very trout here. But the coffee is gonna justify us. The driver with only one hand. Away, 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 away. before starting. Before I start, you know. So we have arrived at National Botanical Gardens. I mean, we have begun. Any few words for the subscribers? Any few words for subscribers? Hi, Spur. Hi, Spur.
The place we're not going in.
Uh-huh.
It's going to be a good day.
Uh-huh.
You know why?
Uh-huh. Oh.
You didn't know, now you know.
Now you know. So this is how the entrance fees went. So if you're an adult, that would be 80 Rand. Kids under 60 would be free. And if you're a student, make sure to bring your student card. Then that would be 45 Rand. All payments were done through card only. No cash allowed. And we are snacks and drinks allowed. Hi. We are here and the place is beautiful. She was using it. The place is fantastic. Bombastic side. Are there little fishes in here?
No.
That's algae. Algae creeps me out. Oh, guys, the place is big. There are fish.
That's what it says here. The fish in this pond are indigenous to this river catchment.
We don't see them. Nemo, where are you? Reverse.
Don't start.
Reverse. Hi.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yes, yes.
That's tea, baby.
Yes, yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's very cold here. More colder than we expected. I even had to ask for an extra jersey. Precious came prepared though. She was ready. The rest of us, we were feeling bougie and we thought that we could make it.
And now it's very...
It's very the is doing. The place is pretty and there's a mini waterfall. Hey, I can't wait to show you guys.
Are we going there?
I think we're gonna go there, yeah. By the looks of it. I mean, you know. Oh, yeah. Yes. It's a gear 1, gear 2. Accelerator.
The wizard. Youthful plants. You see, I'm a kata now.
Oh, cute. The place is beautiful. It's nature, you know. It's an escape. There's a cute little restaurant if you wanna do lunch with the family and friends by the mountains. Hi, Bowen.
They are
See how smile.
Yes, even more.
Have you liked? Have you liked? What? Excuse me? Ha! When Jehovah was like, let there be sun, let there be the mountains, and let there be a waterfall, he meant about right this. Right? You see that?
You see that one that I'm putting it at?
That is a statement. Show them. Show them.
You see this one?
Tell us. That is a statement.
That is a statement.
This is what we call creation. You see that?
When in Genesis they said, when in the beginning.
In the beginning.
This.
Uh-huh.
The beginning.
Uh-huh. See? See this? Don't play. Okay, so we at the waterfall.
Wow.
And I mean, what is this?
I mean,
This is beautiful, y'all.
This is stress.
Hi.
My new friend.
This is Faye. Now the weather is actually making sense because earlier it was very cold. And the waterfall, guys. Yo! It's worth it. Hi, Bo.
This view.
The hike has begun.
What not hike?
Yeah, that one. Botanical
Yes,
Garden.
that one.
Yebo. No, like now it's getting hot. Maybe because we're hiking, we're no longer feeling the wind.
There's no wind anymore.
We had lost our people. Now we have found them, and the hike is hiking. Like the trail is crazy. It's not for the weak.
It's not for the faint of heart.
No.
No, it's not.
This needs hardcore hikers. Hence, I've said I must put this on my resume. Because hiking.
Hiking is an extreme sport.
Oh, this is an extreme sport. I need to add this to my resume. Because no. This is hard. This is what the Israelites went through because whew, if it is, I can understand.
Oh,
Hey, we're out of the bush. Woo. Hey now.
Where am I?
Yeah, yeah.
You are nowhere.
Any few words for the vloggers, for the subscribers?
Wise words of advice.
Wise words.
Hiking is not for the faint of heart. Make sure that you are prepared.
Wise words. Wise words.
Wise words is keep doing what you're doing
Yes.
as long as you believe in it.
Yes.
Amen.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Beautiful plants. Look at that. Oh, guys. It's really, really pretty. It's very nature, you know? Right? Hi. Yes, thank you. Yes. Yes.
Like this.
Yes, thank you.
Tell me when I'm on your smile. What should I do? Should I smile?
Yeah, no, just wait there like that, like my camera holder.
Oh, I shouldn't smile or anything like that.
Thank you.
I'm done.
Was it right? The hike is actually not it's like the trail is up there, very short, and then I think most of it's just more nature and it's a smooth path. See everybody, nobody is really crying, everybody's more relaxed, people are more chilled, the energy, the air, the flowers, you have people having like gatherings and events, picnics, some people look like they want to propose. Like this is the place for the couples, for the families. See me, I bring you places that anybody can go to. Even if you're single, you can pull up here. Pull up.
I'm telling you. These are the videos you post where my face is showing halfway. Don't do this to me.
No, you're here. Mara, that was a short hike, ne? Or are we still going?
No, we're going. No, it looks like we're going. Did we come here? We
didn't. But I mean, like up there, that was it.
Yeah, no, up there was it.
Or did we just dodge the places?
We dodged the bullets. We're doing content.
Any wise words?
Words for the people?
Hi.
I'm very stage fright. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. The data bundles have run away.
Oh, finish.
It's been such a great walk. Yeah.
Not that I'm very stage fright.
Walk of shame.
The one ship.
They shouldn't play with you. You just give them a performance. No. So there's no they say there's no what? Braai area. And people want meat into Braai. We are changing locations. There's a nearby park. What is the name of the park?
I don't know.
Do you know? Nobody knows. Hey, we're done hiking here. The hike was very easy and thank you guys. You can play your music now. Sing for the subscribers. So we are here to get some few stuffs.
Yes, we are.
We don't know what we are getting, but we are getting something because of the Braai. So now we just want to buy some few things. Accommodates the kitties, very open, cars can park close.
Now there's the park. Yes.
Yes.
Kebab,
The kebabs, we never disappoint.
chicken, Ismara.
Hey. It's okay, no, we'll edit it. The location is pretty. It's not that far from where we were hiking. Very nice. Very open space, friendly. Yeah. People are going home now.
We are so tired. We are so pressed. We are very crusty and tired.
At this point, we're going home. We are tired.
Bye.
We are done for the day. Aye, we're tired. We're packing up to go now. Honestly, it was fun. We had our braai, we ate, we are full, we are everything in one. Honestly, now we're just heading home. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So we are going home.
Yes, we are.
We're going home.
We're going home.
Home.
We're going home.
Today was wild. Today.
After trauma. We're good. We are ready to go. Yeah.
We managed. We survived. And it was a fun day. I would do this again on repeat. Just with the camera on in particular times.
Yeah.
That would have gotten me 1 million views. That one. But it's okay. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Tasha and this is Precious.
Bye.
Thank you guys.